Hey y'all, we're out here riding. It's been a while. It's been a good time. I got a GoPro Hero 10 now, so it should be better quality. I still have the old one, but y'all tell me what y'all like better, because I fixed my phone and stuff, so now it'll let me edit my videos and stuff, so it looks better. But yeah, it's pretty chilly out here, but don't mean we can't ride. Yeah, but I'm gonna try and avoid some of these holes, because some of these are pretty bad. A lot of people have been riding through them. So I videoed yesterday, but the GoPro, that's it. I didn't have no video. That is sloppy. Yeah. But I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Pretty out here right now, being winter and all. I don't want to risk it. Well, that was close. Start. That looks bad. Two-wheel drive. There's your plate. Sorry for that video, and I just gotta get used to it. I don't know, I haven't gotten used to it yet. Heck yeah, getting some digs. That was thick. There's not many places you can ride out here right now. See, I wish y'all could. Wish y'all could have seen the video yesterday, but yeah, the inch right here is pretty bad. There's a hole right here. There used to be a tree stump somewhere. will get covered in mud, so that sucks. Yeah, just let me know in the comments how y'all think the quality is. And if you could, like and subscribe. Right here, quick. Back here, it should be pretty bad. Try to see where we are. That didn't feel good. It's not bad, but it just felt bad. This is probably bad. Probably not because it looks dry, but this is... Pull up here and turn around and go through there. I haven't rode in a while. This is just flashbacks happening all over again. Don't flip. Second gear? Heck yeah. Go off out here. Shouldn't be nothing too bad, but you never know. Go off right here. Yeah, it ain't gonna be nothing but too dry. But y'all let me know what y'all want me to do next time. Oh, and also, comment down below if y'all want me to start doing other things like fishing and like working on stuff. Cause I got some stuff I gotta work on and some places I can fish. If y'all want me to start fishing and stuff like that. Go for a ride and go fish. But yeah, we're gonna hit this swamp real quick and then we're gonna probably end the video after this swamp, but there's not many places I got to ride. I got this whole place, but it's not that fun when you're by yourself all the time, so yeah. There's a boat right there. We might get stuck, not gonna lie. Right off the bat. Dang. She thick. The only thing I think's crazy, I've never gotten stuck. I haven't gotten stuck one time with these tires. I've gotten stuck with them old ITPs I used to have. I've gotten stuck a couple times with those. Or the first time I ever drove with them. I got stuck, but I haven't gotten stuck with these yet, surprisingly. I've gone to a couple mud parts of these, or on here, with these tires, but if I get stuck, I'm probably going to be happy because I haven't gotten to test these tires out yet. Alright. Turned off like 7 different times, but shouldn't now. At least I hope not. But I'm trying to get out of here right now so I can just head out. And someone has some Budweiser. But we about got stuck, dude. Alright, y'all. So it looks like after the ride. Alright, I'm gonna end it here. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.